What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to the Independent Experience. I'm IndieXP, and we're coming to you again this morning, Wednesday, March 25th, 2020. It is 7:35 in the a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Check local listings. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at the spot values and see where we're going to be starting the day off at in the other markets. Gold is up nicely, currently at 1675.20. Looks like we've gained back all of our losses on gold. Silver is up at 1463, giving us a ratio of 114.51. Platinum up slightly. Had some nice gains the last couple days. Currently at 721.63. And palladium is rallying once again. It's currently up over $2,000 on its way to 2,100. Currently at 2,081.67. In other metals markets, rhodium saw a nice jump yesterday. It jumped from $5,000 to $8,000 an ounce, if you can believe that. Copper is trading down currently. It's at $2.14. Aluminum is down slightly at 69 cents. Crude oil saw a decent day yesterday, but it is showing a loss. Currently, it is at $23.53 a barrel. Yesterday was our greatest points gain ever on the Dow Jones market. Gained 2,113 points to close out the day at 20,704.91. The NASDAQ closed up yesterday, closing out at 74,1786, and the S&P 500 also closed up at 24,47.33. If you guys follow the Bitcoin market, Bitcoin almost broke $7,000 here just in the last hour or two. It is back down slightly, currently at 66,27.14. With the UPMA being closed currently and everybody in quarantine, there is nobody minding the ship over there. So the price of the Utah Goldback remains unchanged, currently at $2.74. Does not reflect the increases in gold that we have seen as of late. I want to take a quick look-see and see if we're reporting any nice gains. Let's see. The futures fall even after White House Senate reached deal on coronavirus stimulus. If you guys didn't know, overnight the Senate did pass a $2 trillion coronavirus stimulus bill package. It is the largest relief effort in U.S. history, economic relief package, I should say. There's several articles here. New York Times, Los Angeles Times, NPR, CNN Business. There's looks like let me see here. I'm going to read this real quick article. This says futures turn negative. This is from Fred Imbert at CNBC. This is from 6 minutes ago. Stock futures turned negative in early Wednesday morning trading following Tuesday's historic rally, despite the White House and Senate reaching a deal on the coronavirus stimulus bill. Around 7 a.m., futures on the Dow Jones Industrial Average were down 127 points. The S&P and NASDAQ futures were down 0.9% and 8% respectively. Dow futures were up more than 800 points at one point in overnight trading. So it looks like something's happening, guys. People are not happy with the stimulus bill. Quote, "At least we made a deal," Republican Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell said around 1:37 a.m. from the floor of the Senate. In effect, this is wartime level investment into our nation. Democrat Senate Minority Leader Chuck Schumer said, quote, "This is not a moment of celebration, but one of necessity," end quote. Ahead of the news, Dow futures had pointed at an opening drop of 200 points, while the S&P 500 and NASDAQ futures all pointed at losses at the Wednesday open. So doesn't look like we're going to get much of a rally today. It is possible, I suppose, that we do see something happen once the markets open. It's always a big unknown, really. So let's get down to the real business, though. We have some silver to give away. Monday, I had a secret GAW. If you commented on that video, you were eligible for some free silver. We got 2 dimes here. We got a 1955 and a 1952. 2 dimes, 90%. We have the random comment picker uploaded. Sorry you guys can't see that because of the glare. There we go. We had 11. We only had 11 commenters. That's why it's important to comment, guys. Whew. All right, let's go ahead and get this started. See who's the winner. Boop, 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 boop. And the winner is Dove Season 91. Dove Season 91. We're going to add that prize into the prize that you're still waiting on. Guys, if you are waiting on a package from me and that has been in quarantine, those are going to be shipping out on Friday. So keep a lookout in the mail next week for those. Guys, I do greatly appreciate every single one of you. And if you happen to appreciate old IndieXP, go ahead and consider hitting that thumbs up button right down there. If you happen to be new to the independent experience, go ahead and consider smashing that subscribe and jingle bell right there in the corner, bing bong, so you can be notified of when new content is coming out. I've been IndieXP from the Independent Experience, and I'm here once again to remind you, if the women don't find you handsome, they should at least find your pockets heavy.